if you want to transfer data from iPhone to your OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can use the clone phone app that you have on OPPO Reno 15. It is pre-installed and you should be able to easily find it. Now on iPhone we will have to download that app from the App Store. So if we go to the App Store over here, you can just simply search for clone phone and you should be able to find the app quite easily. There we go. And it is this app over here. I actually have to update it. So make sure that you download the clone phone app for OPPO, OnePlus and Realme. And once you get it, you want to open it on your iPhone, of course. Now on the iPhone, we will have to select that this is the old phone, and then you can decide what you want to be able to transfer. So in my case, I'm gonna select everything that I have in here, and we can tap on continue. And then we can scan a QR code. Now on OPPO Reno 15, select that this is the new device. Of course, we need to grant all the necessary permissions, and then we're gonna choose Apple because we want to transfer data from iPhone, of course. Now we can scan this QR code over here. There we go, and we want to confirm that we want to join the hotspot, which was created by our phone. And if you cannot really transfer or you cannot connect with the iPhone, then you can also use the connect manual option that appears below. I mean, before you actually move on, of course. In my case, both phones have been connected together successfully. So now on iPhone, once again, we can choose whatever we want to transfer. And I'm gonna just transfer my photos in here. Of course, the more files you want to transfer, the more time it will take to do so. And there we go. You just want to wait for the transfer to be done. So you want to stay on the transfer screen over here. Once it is done, you can tap on the done. You can do the same thing on your OPPO Reno 15. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.